Alright, it is time for basement fire alarm test 22. As you can see here, pull station is a Firelight BG12L, nice and standard. And for today, the stopper is not on. Up above here we have my Wheelock ZNS-MCW-FR horn strobe up here. And as you can see, there is a Wheelock sync module up there, so it is on code 315 Candela, and we will also have audible silence over 2 wires today. 4008 as always. Let's pull the alarm. Alright, here we go. Well, that was weird. Okay, so we're back at the panel, and apparently the horn gave out, or something's going with the sync module. I've been having this problem lately with that sync module. So, we'll just go ahead and silence it. And the strobe does continue to flash. Alright. Kind of lift that up out of the way. And as you can see right there, that is a BG12L. Go ahead and put the stopper back. And there's another shot of the strobe, because why not? So that is the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.